So here we have another smart ring, the Luna ring. This one not only has the sleek and shiny look, the sophisticated health tracking, and most importantly, there's AI to help with all these. Let's get into the details, starting with the unboxing. As you can see, it comes with this deep blue case, quite nice. Open the box, there's the ring right at the top. The pattern surrounding it is very glamorous. It makes you feel like there's a lot of energy sparkling on you. The ring is on the charging pod and wrapped by a matte film. The drawer under holds the charging cable, a card, and a quick start guide. Let's look at the ring closely. The color I got is this sunlit gold. It's more shiny but less golden than real gold, and it's still nice to wear it. There's a slight groove on the top, a pattern to have, which also helps with wearing the ring correctly. One thing to know here though, Luna Ring has the health tracking feature support from Noise, a very well-established company that makes smartwatches. So I was looking forward to seeing how that performs. So in this review of the ring, I will talk about the wearing comfort, the excellent health tracking features, and also how AI can help with everything. First up, how comfortable it is to wear it. Before getting the ring, of course, there's the sizing kit to choose the best size for yourself. The size 10 fits just fine on the index finger, where it can get the most accurate data. The groove is at the opposite side of the sensors, so it really helps with putting on the ring correctly. The wearing comfort is indeed very good. The 3 dents inside help secure the ring on the finger nicely, but not disturbing. The outside is titanium coated, although it can be 100% scratch resistant, the mark is still very minimal. I've had the ring on 24/7 for more than a week. It is very comfortable and the battery never died. Now the health tracking features, when you first get into the app, there's a score called readiness. It is a comprehensive metric that results from sleep, heart rate, activities, etc. to tell yourself how ready you are to do things every day. I like this metric a lot because let's say you did not have a good sleep last night and you need to do a lot the next day, the result will not be good at all. So following the signal from the body is very important. And for the sleep tracking, I would say it's very accurate. Like the start and end times, the sleep quality metrics are all clearly stated there. I also took it out for outdoor running at night. Once I tap the start button on the app, some essential metrics will be recorded, then show up when it ended. So how about the AI in this product? Well, there are 3 main things you need to know. First, it is everywhere in the app. When you get into the app to check the readiness metric, it shows up below the card. It is in the sleep section. There you can dive into the sleep data further. If you want to ask a specific question, just tap the card, then you are ready to talk to the AI. When you are talking to the AI, like asking a question, is my deep sleep time enough? The AI will look into your sleep data, analyze it, and then tell you if there are any problems or suggestions. Second, it can customize a workout plan and diet plan for you. For the workout plan, you will be asked about some goals and preferences first, then a well thought out plan will be made just for you. And for the diet plan, you can have one tailored to your taste and you can change it to your liking, like change it to maybe an Italian version. Once you made the plans, they will be added to your list. You can also ask for further assistance, like getting instructions on how to do dumbbell rows or how to make an omelet. As you can see, you can also talk to the AI. So this is the third part, and this is kind of the best one. In a window you talk to Luna AI, you can use a voice to input the things you want to ask. It will analyze it and then give you some guidance. Here's a demo of me interacting with the Luna AI. I go to sleep at 11 o'clock in the evening, and I usually get up at 7 o'clock in the morning. How about my sleep schedule?
Your sleep schedule provides you with around 8 hours of sleep, which is generally recommended for most adults. Prioritizing good sleep quality is important for overall health, mood, and fitness recovery. Try to maintain a consistent sleep routine and ensure your sleep environment is dark and quiet. If you're feeling well rested and alert, it sounds like your sleep is working well for you. If you have any concerns or want to explore ways to improve your sleep quality, I'd be happy to discuss tips related to sleep hygiene and relaxation techniques.
I want to run 3 kilometers per day. Is it good for me?
Running 3 kilometers per day is a great way to build cardiovascular fitness and boost your overall stamina. If you're just starting out, make sure to listen to your body and consider gradually increasing the distance if it feels comfortable. Keeping a balanced routine that includes rest days can also help prevent overuse injuries. How does your current level of physical activity look?
What are the best running shoes you recommend?
Choosing the best running shoes depends on various factors, including your foot type, running style, and the type of surfaces you typically run on. Some well-regarded brands include Brooks, Asics, Nike, and New Balance. It's a good idea to visit a store where you can get a professional fitting for the most comfortable and supportive pair for you. Additionally, consider trying them on later in the day when your feet are slightly more swollen for a better fit.
So what do you think about the AI performance? Overall, I think the Luna AI is thoughtful and very intelligent. You can get a lot of info and insights, and it's everywhere. You can interact with it anytime. So this is the Luna Ring, again a well-made smart ring product. Sorry I didn't go through all the design and health tracking features in this review. It's because it is as excellent as you would imagine. And for the AI, I would say it's a big step forward already. You can do a lot of stuff with its help. Lastly, for this product, there isn't any monthly sub fee. You buy this ring once and for all. Okay, if you like the Luna Ring, there's a link and exclusive discount code for you below. I'm Will from Gizmochina. See you soon.